What's up, everybody? It is not Kendrick Lamar, but I am Cedric Lamar, and I'm about to show you guys how to work OBS. Let's get into it. First things first, you're going to want to go to OBS's website and download the software. You're just going to click download and do download installer, and it's going to start downloading for you guys. Now, once it's downloaded, you can click here and double click. Say yes. And then this is going to pop up. Click next. Once you have everything downloaded, this is how it should look. You have OBS on your PC. Now, you can change the name of the scene if you want to. I already changed it to stream. You right click, rename, and you can change it to whatever name you want your stream to be called, because you can do different scenes for different games or IRL stuff or just chatting, however you want to do that. Now, we're going to focus on sources. This is where you need to be at. You're going to click the plus button right here. Then you're going to go up to display capture. Then you're going to add your display. You can rename it if you want to. I usually don't. Click OK. Then right here, you're going to select your display. It should say automatic and then display. Click your display. And now you see my display is up there. Click OK. We have our display right here. Perfect. Now what you're going to want to do is add your camera. I know a lot of people don't stream with cameras. I see that, but you want to look as professional and stand out as much as you can. Use a webcam. So we're going to click the plus button again. We're going to go to video capture device. We're going to add a new device. Now I use eMeet, so I'm going to name it EMGGRITZZ. And then we're going to click OK. And now my camera is up here. Sometimes it won't recognize your camera, like this one. Watch. This is the camera that I'm using right here. It don't recognize it. So I'm going to go back and I'm using this camera, and we're going to deactivate it and reactivate it if it doesn't recognize. That is how sometimes you have to do it. I don't know why, but sometimes it does that. Now I usually keep this on default, but if you want to change it, you can. You can go to custom, change it to like 4K, 1080p, however you want to do that. But I'm going to put it back on default right now because I'm not interested in changing that. And then we're going to click OK. Now, I like to start up here and bring it down and move it back. Bring it down, move it back, bring it down, move it back, bring it down. Now, you can put this as large as you like or as small as you like. If you want to, that's totally up to you. You can move it here. You can move it here. You can move it here. It's really whatever you want to do with it. I'm just going to keep it right here. Usually I have my game camera right here and I have my gameplay like this, but hey, it's up to you. Now that we have your camera, I'm going to show you something. You see, it's already picking up my audio. Sometimes it doesn't pick up audio. So what I'm going to do is show you this. Click plus. Audio input capture. You can name it whatever you want. I use the Find microphone. And this is the M8 microphone. And it's XLR, but I'm using USB right now. I'm going to click OK. Going to go to devices. And then you're going to go down and find your microphone. Find microphone. Click it. Hit OK. Now you have your microphone in there if it doesn't pop up. And we're going to get rid of that because we don't need it. Remove. Bye-bye. There you have it right there. You just figured out how to set up your stream. Now, what I'm about to do is show you the settings that you're going to need in order to stream. So what we're going to do is go to File, Settings. This should pop up. Now, I'm not going to worry about too much of any of this right now. I'm just going to show you the settings that you need in order to stream. You're going to go to stream. You can connect your account if you want or use a stream key. That's totally up to you, however you want to do that. But I'm going to go to output. Please have your video encoder on NVIDIA H.264. If you put it on this or any of these things, I promise you, you won't be streaming. All right. Then we're going to have this as constant bit rate. Sometimes it might say CBR. It'll be abbreviated, but Right now it says constant bitrate. I don't know. Sometimes it updates and changes. I don't know. Sometimes it just says CBR, but that's what you want to have it on. Then you want your bit rate to be 6,000. You can do more than that, depends on how you're trying to stream, but 1080p 60 is perfectly fine at 6,000. You want your keyframe intervals to be 2. I don't know why, you just wanted to be 2. Preset P5 slow good quality. This is going to push out the stream to make it really clear and crisp, okay? Tuning high quality. Multi-pass, you want that at 2 passes, quarter resolution, profile high. Turn off look ahead. This will be checked when you first download, but turn that off, please. Then you have adaptive, keep that on, and B-frames 2. So that's that for that setting. Now, simple settings, it doesn't show all that, but I'm showing you what you need to have on, okay? That's recording mostly and all that stuff, but go to advanced and do that. Now go to audio. You want this at 48 stereo, and then all of this should be on default. And this should already be, it's already defaulted to the desktop, and then this mic should be defaulted to the FeeFine already. But if it's not, you can put it on there and have your microphone audio, okay? And we're gonna go down to video. You want this 1080p, okay? 1920 by 1080p. And then you want this 1920 by 1080p. And if you have like not good internet, just go down to 720p 60 or 720p 30, because we're just trying to get you to stream. So don't hold yourself back. If you can get it to 720p 30, just stream like that, okay? You want to have this at 60, common FPS value at 60. But like I said, if you have to go lower. Just start streaming. Then you're going to click apply. And okay, there you have it. Okay, you have everything you need set to start streaming. Anything else you guys want to know, let me know in the comments, and I will try to help you the best I can. Now, get out there, start streaming, man. Peace.